The inclusion of beams in slanted roofs is pivotal for effectively distributing forces, preventing sagging, and ensuring the support of roof materials, ultimately contributing to overall structural durability and safety. Initiate the process by accessing the Additional Objects window, located under the Start tab. Activate the shaft and click Add New under the Additional Child Objects. The navigator will open, enabling the selection of a model from the DigiPara BIM library. Determine the profile type via the navigator window. We need an upright I-type profile. Confirm your selection with OK. Assign the shaft component group to control the visibility of the new user component and click Finish. After adding the profile, rename it as Upper Beam by clicking at the pen icon next to the object. Specify the correct dimensions by entering values in the properties. Ensure the upper beam is active and go to 0021 I-type. For DXL, we need the sum of the shaft width and the shaft left wall width. In our example, it's 2215 mm. For DXR, it needs the shaft right wall width, which is 200 mm. The value for DY, the shaft depth, is 200 mm too. And for DZ, the shaft height, 100 mm. Now let's locate the upper beam. Go to 0026 Location in the Properties and set the position and angle calculation to manually by equations. The position of the x direction is the value of the shaft width, dx. In y direction, it needs the half of the shaft depth so that it is in the middle. At last, the value for z0 is the shaft height, dz. This concludes our tutorial on effectively handling the new slanted roof feature. Thanks for watching!